All right, today I have a Ford Expedition, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers, as well as the rear windshield window wipers. Okay, I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers and the rear window wipers, as well as the washers for both the windshield and rear window. I'm going to go for all that with you. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the vehicle right here, the Ford Expedition. All right, in order to operate the windshield wipers, I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and you'll see this lever right here. This lever right here is where you operate the windshield wiper, and I'm going to go over it with you. Okay, so right now it is currently in the off position. It's lined up with that 0 that is indicated for this off. Now there's notches. There's an automatic setting, and then there's also a manual setting. I'm going to show you those as well. All right, so right now it is in the auto setting, or the off setting. If I take this and go up one notch, it is in the auto low setting. Do you see this? It is in the auto low setting right here, the first notch. And so this indicates that it's in the low setting. So if there's a drop or rain on the windshield, it'll automatically turn on to the low setting, and it will keep on wiping until it's cleared, and then it'll turn off automatically. Okay, so if I go to this next setting, it is on the next highest speed for the auto. It indicates it by wiping one time to let you know that it's on. All right, and so it has a higher speed right here. This is the third highest, and then this is the fourth highest. Now all of these right here are the auto setting, and so it'll increase the speed right here for the auto setting at the high one right there, and this is the low right here, and there's in betweens right there that you can go to. So this is the high setting for the automatic. Now if I want to go to manual, I go up one notch above the highest setting for auto. You see that? That is one setting above, and it's manual. So it's manually on right here, and it'll just keep on going until I turn it off or turn it to higher speed. Now if I want to go to the highest speed, higher speed, I will go to the one more notch right here, and it is on the highest speed right here for wiping. Do you see that? Now to turn it off, all I can do is go right here, goes lower, and then right here is auto high speed for the auto, but it's off because it's not raining out here. Now if I keep on going all the way back down, it is now off. So that is the auto and manual setting for the windshield wiper. Now if I'm going to go to next, I'm going to go to the rear window wiper. In order to do that, I'm going to go over, and you see there's a little so there's a ring right here on the middle of this lever. It is currently on the 0. That is indicator is off. Now I go up one notch. That is the low setting. See, that's the low setting. All right, let me see the low setting. All right, and then if I go up one more, it is in the higher setting right here. Do you see that? Higher setting? Look at that. Now, if I want the windshield washer, or the rear window washer, what I'm going to do is, all I have to do is go right here. You see it's at the 2 right here. I'll go right here, just twist it a little bit more, and it starts washing the rear window. And when I release it, it turns off. Now, there's also a setting at the bottom right here. I can also go like this, and it does the exact same thing. All right, so it's two ways you can turn on the rear window washer. Just twist right there for the rear window, and then twist it right here for the front window. Now, to turn it off completely, just release it, and it goes off. And then it is right here. It's in one of the settings for the wipers right here. Now to turn off the wipers, again, all I have to do is go down to the 0, just like that. All right, see that? Now for the windshield washer, all I have to do is, you see this right here, this lever? If you go on this side right here, all right, you see this? All I have to do is push this in, and you look, it's washing the windshield right there. And when I release it, it goes off just like that. All right, so that is how you operate the windshield wipers and the rear window wiper and the windshield washer and rear window washer. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.